friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Houseplants. In today's video, we are doing a flip through of January 2022 in my Plum Paper Vertical Columns planner. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so starting with my index page, as per usual, I do like to zhuzh it up a little bit. So I found these cute little snowflakes here from my Christiane Designs Celebration book that I got from Michael. So I just thought I'd add a couple little doodads there. But let's get into the meat of this. So looking at the highlights page, this is kit Emily from Orange Umbrella Co. I loved this kit. The colors are just gorgeous. I think they have a nice wintry feel without being too snowflakey or anything like that. I think you could use this in other times of the year as well, but I just loved this sage color and the icy blue. So I still struggle with what to fill in these circles here. I don't know, I need to come up with something. These scripts here, Projects, Good Times, and Currently, these are from Vanessa Rogel. They're customs that I had made with her. I filled in my Good Times. I started Emma's photo book, but not finished it. And then my little icons here are from Planner Kate. I love these. I finished Game of Thrones. Love Abbott Elementary. If you're not already watching that, I talk about it all the time in my Plan With Me's. I finished Hawkeye. I finished Big Little Lies Season 2. That was really good. And I'm still watching And Just Like That. Although I think here in February now, they finished their first season maybe? Anyways, I had this wide washi here. Normally I don't decorate this page. But again, because I loved this pattern so much, I just wanted to put it down. I've got some sticky notes covering some personal notes here on my notes page. So that's the highlights page. And then flipping into the monthly view, again, this pattern here is just gorgeous. And because this sort of steel blue, I thought coordinated really well with the kit, I didn't cover it. I kind of placed the washi just above it so you would get that little bottom line there. All of these days of the week came with the kit. And then looking at what I used here, these payday stickers are from Planner Kate. The functional boxes here are from the kit, but then these basketball and soccer labels here, these are from Planner Kate. The holiday here, and then these flea and tick meds, this holiday here, these are from Fern Creek Stickers. And then my canceled are from Planner Kate. So my year got off to a good start, but not quite the start that I had hoped. We still saw a lot of cancellations happening. Of course, the Omicron variant really kicked in after everyone was home for 2 weeks for the holidays. And so things at school were canceling and rescheduling. Things at work canceled and rescheduled. This meeting here was actually supposed to take place on the 7th, but we moved it to the 14th after this event here canceled. So it was a little shaky start to the new year, but nonetheless, it all worked out. I ended up being able to go to Newport for my board retreat, which was very, very successful. We didn't have any outbreaks or anything like that. So we were very excited about that. So that's the monthly view. And then we have a duplicate week here, so I didn't do anything there. But this is week 1, and this is Planner Kate Kit 265. It's called Cold Outside. This is actually a kit from last year. You can tell that it has some of the formatting of previous kits, like the scripts and things like that are old. They're not the new layout that she has. So just looking across the top here, all of this came from the kit. This little guy here is from Big Elephant Plans. My to-do stickers across the top here are from Saya Planning. Commissary, that's a custom that I did with Christine from Phoenix Plans. Love that. These little no classes start. These scripts here are from Fern Creek Stickers. It's a sheet of mixed scripts, kind of all about the school year. And then looking at my sidebar, basketball practice, soccer practice, these are scripts from Phoenix Plans. They're not customs. She has them all ready to go in her shop, so you can get those if you have a basketball player or a soccer player in your life. The habits and all of these little scripts here are from Saya Planning, as well as the little paw print. So those are from my friend Saya. And then the actual habit tracker, this box here, is from Orange Umbrella Co. All of my time stickers are, of course, from Phoenix Plans. This is another canceled. These are all Planner Kate. It's a full sheet of just canceled stickers, which I've been using more last year than I really wanted to. This staff meeting is a favorite of mine. This is from Ever Changing Plans. And this rescheduled here is a leftover sticker when I consolidated some of my kits. And this is also from Ever Changing Plans, I believe. These little icons here are Planner Kate. And then the rest of the kit, I believe, yeah, the rest of these stickers are from the kit. I loved this. I loved this kit. The color scheme, oh, so pretty. I love sage green. I really, really do. Okay, looking into week 2, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous kit. So this is the Cyber Monday Mystery Kit from Fern Creek Stickers. So this was from last year, 2021. And going across the top, a lot of this is from the kit. The to-dos are, of course, from Saya Planning, same as the week before. A lot of these scripts are from the kit. Costco, Commissary, those are from Phoenix Plans. This fill-up gas tank is from Nicole Hutch Designs. But look at all the gold foiling. Isn't this gorgeous? So pretty, and I love this wide washi here. This is a Planner Kate. This is a Planner Kate. That is a Phoenix Plans. And then looking at my sidebar, this little gold circle here is from Erin Condren. And then again, my same basketball and soccer practice from Phoenix Plans. I've got different habit tracker boxes. This came in the kit, but then the habits are from Saya Planning. The little paw print was in the kit. This little quote here is from Orange Umbrella Co. I like that one. We've got icons here from the kit, and then soccer games, timestamps, all of that from Phoenix Plans. And again, that canceled sticker that keeps popping up. So this was just, again, love it. Look at this beautiful pattern. So what's great about the Fern Creek Stickers mystery kits is I still have a second week worth of stickers that I can do. And I really thought that besides the snowflakes, if I avoid using any snowflakes, I could use the stars for like a summer starry night type of layout. So loved this kit. This was a good week too. We did get to play a lot of sports. We had some games cancel and that kind of thing because like I said, Omicron hit the schools, but we ended up pulling out most of them. Okay, so this is now week 3. This is Orange Umbrella Co. It's kit 146. I couldn't find the name of this kit. It is, again, one that I bought last year that I ended up not using, so I wanted to make sure that I used it this year. I loved all of the snowflake theme to it. Again, some of the same stickers you've seen before. This is Phoenix Plans. This is Big Elephant Plans. This here is a leftover from an Ever Changing Plans kit. This is an Orange Umbrella Co. habit tracker box again with my Saya Planning habits. These icons here are from Planner Kate, and again, more Phoenix Plan scripts. That staff meeting from Ever Changing Plans. So you can really see the sports ramping up in our life here. I have a family time sticker here from Christiane Designs. I have a sheet of these that I'm still working my way through, so love those. Really, really cute. Did pretty good on tracking my meals, did some walking. I kind of stopped taking morning walks and just recorded my steps for the day, just because it was still kind of dark outside and we had some wet weather, so that's it. This happy birthday is from Planner Kate. Again, it's a leftover sticker. I found a bunch of leftover stickers that I consolidated into my little hybrid album. So you'll see this sticker coming out through the year. Oh, and this holiday sticker here is from Planner Kate as well. And when I have something that I want to note for the week, just kind of a memory or just something going on, I will write it in, and then I like to use kind of the highlighter to kind of give it some pop. Okay, so the next week, week 4, this is Fern Creek Stickers. This is kit 100 and it's called Snowflake. I loved the pinks and blues because you know I love pink and blue. So some of the same things, Saya Planning in my to-dos. We've got Phoenix Plans here with scripts. We've got an Orange Umbrella Co. habit tracker with my Saya Planning habits. More Phoenix Plans time stickers. My Ever Changing Plans staff meeting sticker. These flight stickers came from a Happy Planner book, an old Happy Planner book. I really like, so I was out of town for work, and I really like the way I kind of blocked out my retreat and just sort of, here's what the list of things that we're having, kind of the itinerary or agenda, schedule of events, whatever you want to call it. I really liked how that worked out so that I have a record of it in my planner without going too much into depth and like stickering it up too much, because I thought stickers just wouldn't have fit, and I thought it would have looked too busy. So I liked how that turned out. These are Fern Creek Stickers as well. And then this is a Christiane Designs here. So I love the way this week turned out. This is such a sweet kit. Just a different interpretation of snowflakes. So my theme was kind of this snowflakes, kind of blues. And I love how I have like all different kind of snowflakes. So this is really pinks and blues. And then this one was really bold with darks and turquoises. And then we have the beautiful blues and golds here. And then snowflakes here with sage green and that kind of stuff. Wintry trees. I thought it was kind of fun having like a little theme. We've got a dupe week here that I planned in February. And then just some notes here for Chinese New Year's. I was stuffing all of my red envelopes and trying to make sure I didn't forget any of the kids in our family. And then here is my monthly cleaning page. It is an add-on for Plum Paper, which I love. I used the Orange Umbrella Co. Emily kit from my highlights and monthly, and then just used some basic labels to do each of the weeks in the month. This is the green here of the actual page matched with the kit. It kind of coordinated really well, so I didn't even cover that up. And then this here, of course, is all of my Phoenix Plans Clean Mama scripts. A lot of them, Christine and I worked together to make sure I had what I needed, and now they're just offered in her shop all the time. So if you're doing the Clean Mama system, you might want to check it out. And if you use the code bit.ly15, you'll get 15% off your order. So I've got daily tasks and weekly tasks for each week. This is just a Tombow marker that I used with my little stencil from Erin Condren to do my little check boxes there. And then over here, I've got the rotating tasks for the month, and then I've got the monthly tasks. January was busy with sports kicking off, with me getting ready to travel and going back to in-person events with work. So I didn't get a ton done in terms of like the monthly focus and the rotating tasks. I usually try to get more done. I did do a complete washout of my fridge, which felt so good. I loved that. And then I did change out our shower curtain. So that was something that I did get done. But I was a little weak, I will say, with January. It was just a little hard, friends. So that's my January in my kind of whole life everything planner. And then let's take a look at what I did in my social media planner. Okay, so I wanted to start here with these monthly boxes. So what I did for January was I recorded what my follower and subscriber numbers were and how much I grew. So I appreciate that, friends. And then I just kind of wrote down what my theme was for the month. And you can see here in February, I kind of planned out my month there, and I just kind of wrote down what my theme was for there. And then flipping right into the month, I don't do anything here on the index in this planner, but for this one, I used an Orange Umbrella Co. kit. It's called New Year's, and it was kit number 102. And basically what I did, friends, was I just bought the wide washi. I had to do a little bit of whiting out because it doesn't go all the way to the edge of the page. And you know, in these new Erin Condren planners for this year, the mid-century circles design goes all the way to the edge there. So I kind of whited it out. It's fine. It's not ideal, but it works. And then I just used a bunch of basic labels from the kit itself. This is an Erin Condren sticker here. I'm not doing so great with my Instagram posting, friends. I'm just having a hard time with that. I don't know. Give me your thoughts and ideas on how to make Instagram a little easier to do. With all the filming and editing that I do for YouTube, it's kind of hard to also keep up with the Instagram, but I will keep trying, friends. So I did, and again, I was traveling here and getting ready for travel with work, and I had a meeting here, so that was part of it as well, was just trying to stay focused on work as well as keeping up with my social media. And so here is my little checklist grid that I do, and I love how this works out. It just keeps me on track, making sure I know what I finished, what I didn't finish, that kind of thing. And then what I did over here was I used this month's sticker. This is from, I believe it's from Nicole Hutch Designs. And these are all the kits I used for kind of like my monthly spreads. So my Basic Life monthly, my Happy Planner budget book, my social media here in my Erin Condren book, and then the Clean Mama page. And then each of the weeks, sort of my plan for what I was going to use in terms of kits. And then what I'm using the notes pages for. So here I was planning kits for February, right? So planning for the next month. And then just my talking points and notes. So this was my notes for my December flip through here. And then I do have a couple of extra pages left over that I didn't use. So that's how I have used my social media planner, and I have to say I really like the way it worked out. So that's kind of it, friends. We'll just kind of come back to this book here. I think that's it for January and my flip-throughs. Alrighty, friends, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.